Welcome. In front of me is a Kruger&Matz Move 8, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, you want to pull off the cover of the device. So I'm just going to lock it, and you have a little pull tab right here on the bottom right corner. There we go. And from here you have access to two different SIM trays, so one here and one here, and an SD tray. So we're going to begin with the SD. You can take it and just simply slide it in like so. Then the SD card, same thing, just place it here and slide it, and the cutout is on the bottom left corner. I'm gonna use this as well. So this one will go with the cutout on the top right corner, like so. And now if I flip it over, so there it is, there's the SD card, and the SIM card will work after the reboot. But that is how you'd insert it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.